A Python module is a code library. Suppose I want to write a set of different methods that can be reused in different programs. So I will create a module. A module can contain methods as well as variables that can be used in different modules. In Python, we use the import statement to add a module to our program, and we can while calling the methods of a program or the variables, while calling the method of a module or variables, while referring the variables of a module, I have to the syntax is to write the module name, the dot operator, and the method name or the variable name that is defined inside the module. Or we can give an alias to the module name, and we can use the alias name dot method name inside the module or variable name inside the module. The benefit of using this syntax is that it avoids any naming conflict. Suppose I have a method name area in my program, and I have a method name area in a module that I have added in my program. So there can be a name conflict, but because the method name area in the module will be referred as module name dot area, and the method area in my program will be referred to or called by calling just area. So there won't be any name conflict between these two method names. So now we will see how to write our own module, and we will also see how to use a third-party module. Before going to the example, Python has a rich library of built-in modules, and also there is a rich collection of third-party modules for carrying out different types of tasks, like modules for AI functions, modules for mathematical functions, etc. Now let's go and write our own module. So here I have written a module for geometrical calculations. I have named the module geometry.py. It is simply a program that we have been writing as before. The only difference is it only contains different methods that we can reuse in any program, and similarly it has a variable, it's a dictionary variable in which we have a key name or a variable name and a variable value. So I have written 4 methods in this module. Circle area, which will receive a radius as parameter and return the area of the circle. Similarly, circumference. Rectangle area, which will receive length and breadth of the rectangle and return the area of the rectangle, and similarly rectangle perimeter to return the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we will see how to use this geometry module in any other program. So use geometry.py, this is the statement, import statement, and then the module name, which is geometry. We will not write .py here. Here I have declared a variable to store the radius. Then I have called the geometry dot circle area to calculate area of circle. Now this is what I was telling you. This is the module name dot, and this is the method name inside the module. So actually when we write this, we are calling this method from our own program, and in this method I have used the variable conversion rate, the dictionary conversion rate, and the variable degrees to radians value to convert this angle, which is in degrees, to radians. So here it is, angle into our module name dot the variable name or the dictionary name, and inside the dictionary the key value which is dig to radians. So what I will get in return is this refers to conversion ratios dictionary and the key degree to radians. So it will return this value that we will use here in our calculation to convert the angle which is 30 into radians, and then store the result in the radians variable, and here I am going to print it. So let's execute this program. So the first line is returning, so the first statement is returning area of circle with radius 5, and here I have converted this angle into radian, and it is printing 30 degrees is equals to this. So the purpose was to tell you how to create your own module and how to add that module in your program, and then call the methods or refer the variables inside the module of that module inside your program. Thank you.